To add a supplier, go to the Supplier tab and choose Add Supplier. Fill in the form with the supplier's profile, accounting details, bank details, address details, and contact information. Add in remarks if necessary. Once done, click Save to create the new supplier. The supplier details are displayed here. You may click on the Edit button here to make amendments. Make the necessary changes, and then click Save to apply these changes. To view the list of suppliers in your system, go to the Supplier tab and choose List Suppliers. The suppliers and their details are displayed here. This drop-down button here sets the number of rows that will be displayed in the supplier list. Choose the number of entries or rows you want to display. You may use the search function here to find the supplier. The suppliers that matched your search are displayed here. Click the Add Supplier button to add a new one. Fill in with relevant details, then click the Save button to add. Click on the Columns button to choose the columns you want to see. Click this Edit button to modify supplier details. Make the necessary amendments, and then click Save once done. Click on Blacklist button to blacklist suppliers. Type in the remarks or the reason why you're blacklisting them. Click Yes to proceed. Click this Trash Bin button to delete a supplier. Then click Yes to proceed, or No to cancel the deletion.